Are you looking for a new way to make baked chicken? Well, today we are making the most juicy, delicious honey Old Bay oven baked chicken. Absolutely delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. But before I begin, you know the drill. Give this video a like if you enjoy it, subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. To begin, I have 6 bone-in, skin-in chicken thighs here, nice and clean. We're going to be working on our marinade, so I am going to squeeze half a lemon juice to this bowl here. Just going to cut it. We're gonna squeeze that into our bowl, just like this. Next, I am going in with about 1/3 cup of olive oil. Maybe 1/4 cup. Next, we're going to be using onion powder, garlic powder, some Old Bay, of course, and we're using ground black pepper with the Island Cajun Crush seasoning, which will be listed down below for you guys on my website. Now I'm going in with some fresh parsley, about a tablespoon. Mix that up together just like this. Now we are going to pour our marinade all over the chicken thighs just like this. And then now you are going to rub that seasoning all over the chicken. This is the most easiest recipe you'll make for baked chicken. It's so quick to put together, and it takes about 40 to 45 minutes for it to get nicely done. Don't put the honey yet because the honey will burn in the oven, so we're going to add that after. And now you have your chicken nice and marinated just like this. Now you're going to grab your baking dish and just add your chicken thighs right in there, just like this. Just place them just like that. Perfect. Now, one question I usually get, do I cover my baked chicken? I never ever cover my baked chicken. So we're going to place this in the oven uncovered for about 40 to 50 minutes on 375. Forgot to mention, you have to preheat your oven, okay? Hey Google, set a timer for 50 minutes. Now we wait. All right, guys, our chicken is finally ready. We're not done yet though. We gotta add that honey, okay? Ooh, it looks good, smells absolutely delish. Take a good look. So now we have the honey that we're going to brush on the chicken, just like this, okay? That sauce under there, you need it. So don't throw it away. Carefully add your honey, just like this. It's going to caramelize and it's going to taste absolutely delish. Once it's done cooking or baking, we're going to place it in there for another 5 to 10 minutes just to caramelize. All right, guys, our chicken is nicely done and it's looking so good. Take a quick look of how the chicken is looking. Absolutely delish. The chicken is ready and it's smelling amazing. Ooh, the outside has a little, crunch to it, but it's nice and juicy on the inside. Come take a look. Oh, it looks so good. Ooh, that chicken is juicy, y'all. Let's give it a try. Now that's what I call a delicious baked chicken. This is really good. This is absolutely delicious The honey is not too overpowering. Such a good combo. Absolutely juicy. Hopefully after watching this video, you're not making basic baked chicken again. Try this out. I am sure you're going to enjoy it. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new here. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.